Hey guys, would you like to know few simple success hacks? If yes, this is Professor Miithyl Dave and I am going to share with you 6 simple success hacks. Stay tuned on this video. Welcome back. This is Professor Miithyl Dave and as promised I am going to share with you 6 success hacks which is going to make you successful. However, one disclaimer, you need to follow many other steps along with these hacks to go to that level. So ready? Let's get started. Success hack 1. Write down exactly what you want. Till the time you don't write it down, you is not gonna get it. This goes basically back to your subconscious mind. When you write it down, technically it becomes a contract, and when you make a contract, the mind, conscious as well as subconscious, starts thinking, tries to find ways as to how you can accomplish that. Make sense? Alright, let me come to success hacks 2. Write a specific date that you will achieve what you want, because till the time it is not time bound, there's not gonna be a fire and you're not going to do about it. Success hack 3. Write down what value you plan to give in return for what you want. Few years back I had seen a video in which Jim Carrey had written a check for himself and he had promised that I want to achieve that particular amount and I'm going to give my service rendering to acting. So yes, it's a give and take, it's a balance. So if you want something from the universe, initially you need to give. So only when you give, you're gonna get back and you're gonna get more. Success hack 4. You need to create an exact plan for how you will provide that value. Understand one thing, looking at the Y generation which is happening now, money is gonna come, but the only thing is you need to provide value. When you provide value, which is one of my success pillar, is to provide value to all the people in the world, money is gonna come, and trust me, it's gonna come. Success hack 5. Make steps 1 to 4 in a single statement. You need to write a single statement. And very important, last point, last hack, read it twice a day, when you wake up and when you go to sleep. In this way, what you do is you are trying to condition your subconscious mind. You are constantly feeding it with positive affirmations, and in that way, subconscious mind, when you are sleeping, it will go to the delta stage and gonna find some ways, gonna give you more ideas. So when you wake up in the morning, you're gonna get these ideas. Note those ideas down, but the most important is, whenever you get those ideas and have you noted down, put them into actions. It is only when you put into actions, you're gonna get the results. As rightly said, action speaks louder than words. So guys, this is Professor Miithyl Dave signing off. Bye-bye.